Hello, everyone. Today, let's talk about a key concept in databases, referential integrity.
So what if you have data that points to, well, nothing? How do we stop these broken links? The solution is a very simple but powerful rule, and it's called referential integrity. Basically, it just makes sure that any link between your tables is pointing to something that's actually there.
Now, you might be wondering how this rule is enforced, right? It's all done using two special keys.
First up, we have the primary key. Just think of it like a student's unique roll number. And then you have the foreign key. Its only job is to link back to a valid primary key. So let's be very clear. The primary key is the unique ID. The foreign key is the link. Okay, let's take a simple example. Here's our main table, student, with roll number as the primary key. And this is the linked table, exam underscores. Notice the roll number here is now a foreign key. Now what happens if we try to add a score for a student who doesn't exist in our list? The database will give an error. Why? Because roll number 104 is not in the main student table. And this simple check is what prevents orphaned records, data that's pointing to absolutely nothing.
So why does this rule matter so much? It keeps data consistent, prevents big errors, and protects your relationships.
For example, you can't just delete a student if their exam scores are still in the system. At the end of the day, it's a simple rule. If you link two things, make sure both things actually exist.